There are so many ways to travel and to create memories, but only one way to keep them safe and everlasting. The new INNOVV H5 helmet camera has an embedded Sony 4K sensor to capture high-resolution stabilized images. The innovatively designed battery pack provides more than 5 hours of recording, or alternatively, has a USB power supply that makes continuous recording possible, perfect for daily commutes and long-distance adventures. Rain, dust, snow, it doesn't matter, it can handle it all. Beyond being designed to be easily and safely operated while driving, thanks to the built-in tactile vibrator, the power supply, as well as the large capacity storage of 512 gigabytes, allows the INNOVV H5 to record great memories for all the endless hours you'll spend on the road. INNOVV H5 helmet camera system, powered by innovations.